Sorry, that's my supervisor. Supervisor. Looking beautiful stuff.
Where are we going?
We're at Dudley Zoo, going into Dudley Zoo reception, to then go into the zoo.
There is zoo entrance.
Yeah, there you go, zoo entrance. So this is the start of the Dudley Zoo vlog. Obviously here with my brother Josh, Dan's Wildlife, Stefan Higgs, and of course Petco. And yeah, we're going to tour the zoo.
Without a food additive, zoo flamingos would turn white during molting. During molting? What? They molt?
Yeah, what they do is they lie on their back, they spread the feathers out, and then they push off, and then...
Yeah, of course. And then they grow a brand new skin.
Yeah, like see, like, this one's freshly molted, you can see because he's pink. But the white ones are a bit dull.
Hey monkey!
Look, they're spider monkeys. Why have they not got eggs?
Come here! They don't really care.
No.
Yeah, the skull on one of those is the size of a tangerine.
Rabbit where it looks really cute, then he starts talking, it's like, yeah, it's champion.
Josh, this is keep it PG, please.
Keep it PG, yeah.
Yes.
Family friendly. Hey.
Yes.
You can go down here.
The interesting thing about the, if anybody looks at your videos and thinks they don't seem like up to date, these are actually called tecton buildings, right? And they can't do anything to them because like, there's only one person in the UK, I think, that is qualified to actually restore these buildings, and this just costs an absolute fortune.
Name's closed.
And I think there's about 5 grade 1 star listed buildings in the UK, and one of them, no, 2 of them are here.
The bit where you're coming, where the turntables are.
Yeah.
And these.
The old entrances. The old entrances.
The old entrance, yeah. You know where the bacterium comes from, or whatever they're called. Opposite there.
Okay.
There used to be a chimpanzee in there.
So if anybody ever comes to Dudley Zoo and thinks, oh, it looks so run down, it's because they can't actually do anything to the buildings because they're just protected.
They can't hold it up.
A giraffe having his neck.
More than I have in my neck.
I think I saw this.
Less?
Nope.
Is it one vertebrae?
Nope.
The same as?
Same as us.
Really?
7.
Oh. I didn't know that. Oh, right, hang on, we're going to the giraffe first because they're doing...
We don't kind of ever get to spring. It takes its toll. So they give, so they give, we give them piffer. It's one of those. Like,
see you later.
Oh, I'm sorry, I had to. Well done, Josh. It's like little Joshes.
Little Joshes?
Yeah.
Little monkeys. Oh, hey. Hello, guy. Jump at the glass. Yeah. Come with the guy. No! They're only friendly.
It's blue from your t-shirt.
Yeah, sure, yeah. Oh, we can go and all sit in a little pyramid. Ooh. I need some Egyptian music.
Ooh.
Yeah. The hidden basis. I'm sorry, hidden doorway door. How tired are you? I really
Nothing.
This is very cozy.
No. And it's just safe from the rain.
Yeah.
That's so we are film them in there.
We will wait here.
It's like a little spider webs.
Please let us in. Find the spider.
You get a cricket in it.
Oh, there's a big spider here.
Let one run.
Wait there, don't move. Let me get.
Where?
Oh, watch.
Oh, I see.
Don't scare it.
Ah, no, I want.
Oh, come on, I'm going to footage of that.
I want it.
There's one there as well.
I want to touch it.
There's a little one. There's only a little baby one.
Where?
That was a big there. Yeah. But there's actually a big spider there. You just scared it off.
Yeah, it was
Well done.
interesting.
Cheers.
Maybe there's another one.
No, that's the only spider in
The
the
only one
in the world.
in the whole UK.
Yep.
It's a highly venomous daddy long leg.
Yeah.
I love that Ricky Gervais thing. Whether it's true or not, when he says about like, oh, we're going to make you very venomous, you can kill humans. It's like, great. And he's like, what? I'm taking you away. Draw me like one of your French girls. I got a ball of yarn.
Get a picture down. Oh.
Rocking the hair.
Nice day for the zoo.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Raining.
Oh, come on, please slip.
I think we're near the goats.
Good.
Oh,
Goats, they're barbara sheep.
Well,
those.
They're sheep. Laughing at you. Disturbing the peace.
There is no peace in Dudley.
True. They're so colourful, aren't they? I used to get told by her English.
What, the bird? Hello.
Yeah, looks like we're on a red carpet. Yes, here I am.
Look at me.
That's a really pretty bird.
This is my good side.
Mandarin duck.
Hello, duck.
Not in Dudley. They use the ones off the good.
The good.
He's really cool looking. He looks like he's got like a little, like a Zorro mask on. Hello. Hello.
Were you here when the two were shagging?
Fucking, is it Snow Patrol, the song?
Hello, goatee. Hello. Hello, goat. Oh. Hello, little goatee. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Sorry. Hello.
Are you crazy, Daniel? Are you crazy?
They're kind of cute, aren't they?
Lima Wood.
A lemur wood.
Lima Wood. One of the lemurs that got some junk for.
It's looking like that's like ideal beetle wood.
Yeah.
Do it, yeah. Was that in place? Josh, you're ruining it.
It's just adorable. Right, okay, tell me when.
Yeah. Course to engage, you're gonna like demonetize our videos now.
It's the best song ever.
It's not their best song.
It is.
It-
my favourite song.
It's an alright song.
Knock you out.
The band's alright.
Maximum height. What, I'm not allowed to go here or what?
Oh no, don't try it.
Do a flip. Nice baby. Get off. I need zoom lens for this.
She's climbing on one of Lima's fucking
All I can think about is that video of the monkey that jumps on the dog and it's
Oh, I've got two babies now. Oh yeah. I've got two babies now. Help.
Nearly.
Hey, stop it.
No, you're not. What's that small? Hey, babe. Give me a smile.
This is so close.
Look at him climbing on the
Oh, if he nicked your camera, that would just be the best.
So would.
Yes, Stuffy.
that one over.
Where are we?
We are at the moment, we're at the Lions.
We're there.
Yeah, versus you're here. I didn't see that.
Because you can go up in the castle, go out that way, come that way around if you want.
Okay.
Hard navigation. You know what I
Yeah, it's hard.
mean? 38 and 37 are those sea lion things.
Oh yes. Oh yeah, the sea lions. Sea lions. Sea lions.
Those sea lion things. Sea lions.
Yeah. Okay.
Actually, no. Patagonian sea lions.
Oh damn.
There we go.
Do you know what the scientific name is? Danielus ledellus.
Oh.
There's a spider here. I know it's not. How's the fly? It's gone now. Are you afraid? No, I just weren't expecting to be alive.
Which one? What?
It's got sorry, come on.
Honestly, you missed it. He literally went on that, he went, oh, there's something here. That was beautiful stuff.
Can't see that.
Good.
Maybe they're doing like a musical number.
Yeah, to them that's actually beautiful singing,
Yeah,
but we just can't. Hondas are the worst kind of motorbikes. So are Suzuki's.
When they fucking work.
Now, the better version is wiener, 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 wiener. Hardcore Christmas bread. We're gonna go through there.
Hold the door!
Hold the door!
When's the last episode? Monday.
Sunday night, I'm watching it this time.
You rebel.
Warming here.
You didn't realise they both of these got down on film. It's hot in here.
So take off all your clothes. Hang on.
Musculus, the gymnastics.
It's quite cute, aren't
Yeah.
Joint out spider.
It's Musculus, the gymnastic mouse.
Oh yeah. Ah, good shot.
Yeah.
Swimming along.
Create your own beast. Well, you did not see it in my unicorn.
Oh yes. This is much better.
He's like a child, isn't he, though?
The question in here that Steph asks himself every day.
Okay.
What is natural selection? Because
Well, he's still there, isn't he?
look at it.
It's just
This
still.
is where we are. This is where
Hang on, we've got to talk by Dudley now.
This is where me, TarantulaDan, Petco and Josh are. That is where Steph is.
Yeah, but surely you're a bit of a pistachio.
Pistachio nut. They're native.
Snacks and ladders. Did you see that?
Yeah, that's what it's for. Well, I don't know if I'm kicking it across the room. Not the camera, not the camera. Alright, let's not get kicked out of here. So if anyone watching, basically in here there's like loads and loads of bats. But the cameras just are not picking them up at all.
Oh, and the camera is actually your lens.
Ah, yes.
There's, oh my god.
Okay.
Our lenses are fogged.
It's a bit humid in here.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a bit more. To be fair, I'm not going my outside. I'm actually like.
Okay, now I can see the bats. What's that? Is that on my head? Yeah, I can see it a little bit, not...
Yeah, it's probably fogged again.
No, I'll actually get it fairly decent. But, yeah.
I made it. My legs did not.
Mirror anyway, so they have good bones.
And then fire them in Dudley.
Yeah.
That's the damage.
But,
Yeah, they still haven't recovered from the aftermath.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh no! I've been discovered.
We entered the reptile house.
Yeah.
Oh, no one said to me.
Okay, Pekka, this is the reptile house.
This is a reptile house.
This is the reptile house.
Thank you.
This is a reptile house.
Dan, where are we?
Nice reptiles.
This is the house of reptiles.
Steph, what's this?
House of reptiles.
it's the
mammal centre, I think.
Oh, oh, in the wrong place. I'll be back in a bit, guys.
Is that one got like
Not your dogs, what you call them?
when you before your braces you have the thingy?
What, crooked teeth?
No, like the retainer.
Oh, retainer.
Looks like it's got a retainer.
Yeah.
It's all good when it hits the glass and it cracks.
Just bend back over. I'll put what you about to say when you see me bent over. Okay.
Look over
It goes
here.
straight in there.
Oh no.
Look at me. But down. It's like a zip wire.
Spot on the chair.
Well, we will ride it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Wave, Josh.
Hi! Now you're saying.
You wanna go next, dude?
No, you go.
Okay.
See you later.
Bye, Petco.
What?
I was taking a photo. Hey, do you know what that reminds me of?
The hungry caterpillar.
Did you ever go on that when you were a kid?
Yeah, there's one at Starport.
Yeah, the dragon.
Yeah, Josh, what's your views on the hungry caterpillar?
Shut the f up.
Remember, Josh, keep it PG. Yeah, there's story in the Josh.
Yeah. Did you fall off it?
No, not the void.
I just don't like the hungry caterpillar.
Why?
Because he's just wasteful. Absolutely wasteful. Takes a chunk through an apple and then f***ing leaves it, and then when you're just still hungry, you have loads left. Oh, here we go. Going to video you.
Yeah, let's see if I can get across this. Can you get across this, Petco?
Oh, I'll try. Oh my god.
Well down for.
It's not very
Sturdy.
Wobbly.
It's not very sturdy.
I'm going to tickle you.
You're making it harder for yourself.
Oh my god, bending.
Don't say that.
No, it was.
You only
Was
see
it
the
not
easiest
bending
one.
then?
Let me try it, let me try it.
There's no way to Petco.
What? Yeah, Petco's just like la 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 la. Now his knees are almost touching the floor.
Oh no, that's the problem.
Look at it, you've broken. Just broken.
Oh, I flicked him.
Really?
And here we have a wild Petco in his natural environment. Hello, little goat.
Get him, boy. Oh, he likes to be fed.
Oh, he's so soft.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's ginger beer.
Can I get that one?
Yeah, and then when you finish Fox Friday.
Yeah, of course.
I've got a really good drag here and then I've got a dog and that's suitable for
Stop biting me. Dude. Stop biting me. That's cool.
Oh, am I the pot holder on mine?
Yeah. Ah! That doesn't seem to be bothered by me.
I am at one with these things.
These things. Oh, what's on there? Watch out.
Well, this was really cool. I never had
Mind your feet.
interactions with
Mind your
parrots
feet.
like this one. Never. Crazy.
I do like it in here. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
It used to be full of butterflies, and they'd like come all over you.
So they don't have buttons.
No, I think that they used to be butterflies, and now they've
Just
changed
parrots.
it just to parrots. Yeah. But you're clean, don't worry.
Yeah, well, funny. I thought that they were poop. Because you know that birds poop a lot.
Yeah.
But look at this one.
Yeah.
It's still going.
You could probably walk out of here with that, John.
What you want me to do is
No, just say,
Bye bye.
follow you home.
Bye bye. Goodbye.
No, he doesn't want to.
Oh.
Just go with him. Let's see what they will say.
maybe that's his plan. Is like I can escape.
Let's go, let's go.
Oh no! Don't actually walk out of here, Josh. 'Cause
Oh no! Oh no!
Is he just me?
I didn't think I recorded that. What was happening?
I did.
Like, okay, fine.
Oh, they're so cute. They're so fat and cute.
What's up with you?
Goes like all the way in. What species are those?
So we just came out of the parrot house enclosure, whatever it's called, and I thought that was a really good experience personally. What do you think? You enjoyed it?
Excellent experience. Amazing experience.
Yeah, we had a real good time. Dan's still giggling like a child over it.
That bird had its head inside my ear.
Can you send me the video?
So ticklish.
Can you send me that and I can overlay? Put a clip up of.
Josh got pooped on.
And yeah, and Josh got pooped on. So where is Josh? Is he?
He's in there, topless.
Yeah.
These camels are currently undergoing their annual molt. They are molting.
And they might look a little scruffy.
Scruffy.
Which is probably the understatement of the understatement of the day.
This one is definitely scruffy. Hey dude, you look scruffy.
Ah. I'm sure you're handsome when you're not looking like that.
When you are not molting. Weird smell.
Go on, Peko. Right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot. It's very simple. Lean forward. Don't slip. I'm not taking you to a doctor. We don't have time today.
Yes. 2015.
Well, in no hands, we're gonna see who can.
So one of them missed.
Yeah.
Please don't hurt yourself. Stefan's touched it and twice. See, Josh has got a really good balance to be fair.
Is it?
Yeah.
There you go, there you go.
Oh God, Josh, you're like a gimbal.
He is. Josh is like a human gimbal. Look at Steph.
Steph, like, there's no point trying. I've seen you try to walk.
Oh, really? Oh, Peggo's joining in as well.
I'll jump off in case it breaks.
That's
There's a
fine.
bit of weight on it now.
Don't use your hands. No, no, nearly.
The human gimbal wins. Whoa! Come on, fall it, damn it!
Well done, Josh. Alright, who's gonna hurt themselves first?
It's hard.
No.
Superman!
He's gonna put his. Why did you try to use the other hand?
Oh! Yes!
Oh, go on. Use your muscles.
Musculus. Got him!
Go on, I would have to just swing off this one first.
It's however you want. Whoa! Whoa! Strong hands.
I should have done that.
See if you make it funnier.
Don't you do it.
The idea now is if you can get your feet in the hooks and walk forward. Try to do it with your feet.
Are you going to try it?
Yeah, why not? No, my foot's not fitting. Okay.
Yeah?
Have you seen my Centipede?
That was very boring. Have you seen the Centipede?
Hi.
Think you'll catch it? No. Think you'll catch it? Shall we try?
Oh!
Gonna launch it back at you now.
Yeah.
Don't try and encourage.
Oh! Oh!
Ah. Ah.
You can get it.
Oh!
So sad.
Not quite. Look at the eyes, they're so,
Sulking in.
yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh no. How fast they are. How are they so fast?
I love you and I miss you.
Yeah, stand by then. Yeah.
You need to zoom in slowly on his face.
Wait. I need to stay close.
When Petco calls you a kangaroo.
We're going to ride that.
This train has more power than Josh's motorbike. Hasn't it, Josh?
Well, it's got more power than yours, man. You got a flat battery.
Oh, yeah, but,
Shots fired.
let's jump into,
Real one.
yeah, middle.
Jump to hold it there.
What could do?
Filming kids.
Don't drop this. It's not an orb weaver spider. Be careful.
Yeah, but I
Coach
could
didn't drop the orb weaver though, did he?
No,
He
he
knocked
didn't.
the lid and it fell.
Yeah, but
So he killed it. It's fine, it's fine.
We're going.
no.
I'd like hold it steady.
Yeah, but here's a human gimbal. What? True.
So that is the end of Dudley Zoo then. I think we've all done everything and had a pretty good
Dudley.
Dudley,
Welcome to
Dudley Zoo.
Dudley Zoo.
And here we have a Petco, who's obviously been out for quite too long.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's been a really, really good day. Weather sort of got better. Shut up, Dan, you're doing my video. And yeah, it's been really good. So, see, you may under my train of thought now. So yeah, that's the end of the video anyway. I hope you've all enjoyed it. And check out Dan's Wildlife, Petco and Stefan. And yeah, subscribe for more videos.
Don't check out Josh.